Hey guys, what's up? Ethan here. And so today we are going to be doing a bit of a different video. We are going to be doing a solid gold solo match in Fortnite. I'm level 23, it's here to 15. I haven't gotten a battle pass yet, so I could be getting one soon after the school year. But yeah, I mean, I hope that we can get that W. I've already done it once or twice. I don't know how many times, but I guess if I've done it those times, then I can do it again. I'm gonna land here at my lucky spot. I'm sorry, my in-game audio is not working right now, so hopefully in a future video I will get that to work. But for now, I'll just have to commentate, I guess, with my dumb voice. My last round of Fortnite, I got 5 kills. Sorry, I was thinking about Rainbow Six Siege. I got 5 kills, 3rd place. So hopefully we can get 1st place. Oh, there's 2 chests right there, and as many kills as possible. Okay. Take this building right here. Oh wow, no way, no loot in here. Please not get sniped. That would not be good, that would not be tasteful. Because if we do get killed, then that would mean that we'd not get the dub. I'm just gonna let them fight. You guys are gonna hate me for that. I'm gonna hate myself for that. Cause you're gonna, oh yeah, I knew it. I did not mean to do that. Don't judge me. I'm terrible at building, and I don't have materials. Like, I have terrible materials. I have one set of stairs. I can build one thing. Nothing else. So I have to kind of be cautious. Oh, damn. We are about to get read on. I don't know why I'm speaking quietly. Oh yeah, because there's only one word that describes me. D-U-M-B. Dumb. Well, I guess I have it all to myself. I think. Wow. That's very inconsiderate. People in Fortnite are very inconsiderate. Like, so inconsiderate. Like, OMG. I remember one. I lost my mind. I guess I could go for one more chest. I did not mean to do that. I did absolutely nothing. I definitely did not just break. I definitely did not just break a tree. Holy. Like, I think you guys are tripping. I definitely did. Take that, I'm gonna take that. Oh yeah. Just, oh. There we go. My life is complete. Well, now I just need materials. Then it would fully be complete. Because I have trash. Circle. The cursor. Oh, this guy right there. Oof. I really hope that he doesn't have a bolt action. Oops. Dang it. Dang it, John. Free? 21 people left. 21. Where is that guy? We will find him. And we will kill him. I just kind of wanted to mess with him there, so I waited so long. Yee. Somebody's shooting. 16 people. Eleven people left. Oh, how did we win that battle? Like, question mark, question mark. Oh. Oh crap. This sucks. We can make it. We can make it. What? Oof. Got ultimate.